Morning and happy Wednesday to you. A nice start to the day. 75 degrees right now. Winds are the east-northeast at about 6 miles per hour. We're going to be looking at those winds picking up a little bit as a front moves in, bringing in a better chance of some showers and storms there. Northern mountains right now partly cloudy, also in the Sacramentos and down in the southwestern part of the state, but no rain to talk about right now. So a dry start across the state, and temperatures mild, but those are going to climb very quickly this afternoon, and temps well above average again. Yesterday we had a record high in Albuquerque. We're going to be close to that as highs climb back into the mid-90s this afternoon, and then upper 90s, even triple-digit heat down in the southeast. We are going to be looking at more moisture, though. High pressure has been over us for much of this week, limiting the moisture moving in and also limiting the showers and storms that are able to develop. So we've been looking at mainly isolated mountain storms for the past couple of days, but a front pushing in, that's going to bring in more moisture. That's going to kick that high pressure out of the way, and so that's going to allow more showers and storms. Easterly flow bringing in that moisture and fueling those thunderstorms today up in the northeast, east central plains, the central mountain chain, and even back across the western high terrain. So we're going to be looking at a better chance of some showers and storms in the metro area, in and around there, Santa Fe, as we head into this afternoon, mainly late this afternoon and into the early part of the evening. And that uptick in the rain is going to be sticking around for the next couple of days. Meanwhile, Hurricane Irene continues to gather strength. So this is a look at the hurricane now a Category 3 with winds sustained at 115 miles per hour. So a scary sight for a lot of folks along the eastern seaboard watching this storm, and it will further strengthen as it heads to the north and northwest. Expected to make landfall near or around or just offshore the Outer Banks of North Carolina this Saturday as a major hurricane, and then perhaps going into the early part of next week, impacting Long Island and New England as that storm continues to lift to the north. So something a lot of folks certainly keeping a close eye on. This could be the first hurricane to make landfall in the U.S. since Hurricane Ike back in 2008. Closer to home here, a little more active for you this afternoon. Scattered storms for the Four Corners, 89 in Durango, 94 for Farmington. So another hot one. Your extended forecast showing afternoon thunderstorms scattered around the area today, tomorrow, and Friday, with mainly isolated activity this weekend. South and west, the Gila will see a few more showers and storms today. Also the Sacramentos with temperatures still above average. 90 in Silver City. That's well above average there. Normally in the low 80s this time of the year, and upper 80s for the next couple of days, but rain chances tapering off there as we head closer to the weekend. South and east, we may get a few storms up near Clovis and Fort Sumner, Roswell, and temperatures, of course, still running on the hot side with highs in the triple digits for a lot of you. 99 the high in Roswell, and the hot weather sticks around through the weekend with things getting a little bit better early next week. North and east, scattered thunderstorms. We'll be looking at more thunderstorm activity than what you've seen for the past couple of days in Las Vegas. We'll see an uptick in those rain chances right on through Friday, then spot storms this weekend. Northern mountains, the Sangre de Cristo Mountains will see more action today. The Jemez also, but most of it over in the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. Slow-moving storms, so we will have to watch for the potential of flash flooding in the burn scars in Santa Fe. We'll be likely looking at some thunderstorms today and for the next couple of afternoons as well. East Mountains, more scattered storms developing after the lunch hour, and for the metro, as you head home from work, we'll be looking at the chance for a few thunderstorms in and around the area. Another day of scattered storms tomorrow, and then mainly spot activity this weekend, and still pretty hot with highs right around 90.